another Aussie Action episode. Today we're here with Anthony's brand new NP300 Navara. We're fitting a 2-inch lift in the front and upgrading the tyres. We'll also be taking off the side steps to get a little extra clearance. So we've taken the wheels off, we've jacked it up, and now we're ready to take out the old suspension and put in the new suspension. So here is the Dobinson full spring kit. So all we need to do is take out the stock suspension, and as easy as it sounds, put it back in, but I think we're going to run into some problems as we've never done this before, but we'll see how it goes. Put back. Out. You got it?
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
So where's the comparison to the...
Yeah, let's have a look.
Yeah.
So you got a fair bit more clearance there. You'll be going towards the car.
Towards the...
Yeah, towards the front. It'll be tight. It hurts. Oh, get on it fully. Wait up, Anthony. Watch. Anthony.
Oh no.
No, Anthony.
Oh. What do you do?
Round at the top of the nut. You weren't on it and you kept going, Anthony.
Wait, try the other side, yeah.
Mate, it doesn't even go on now. Hey guys, so welcome back. We've run into a bit of a problem. Just don't move anything, Anthony.
What happened here?
You kept going.
What do you do?
Wait, what is this? Okay, let's just no cameras for a little bit. Okay guys, so we did the front left easy. We had no problems. We've moved on to the right and we've had a little bit of mischief. We've almost rounded off one nut completely, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop off the up controller and see if we can access it a little bit easier. Behind me there is some noises. He's trying to get it off, so we'll come in and show you. Can you come this side and hold your whole center? Hold this? Yep. Yeah. Okay. Anthony, you owe me a few drinks. It's off. Yes!
Oh, I saw something move, I flipped it around again. Oh, jeez.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sweating.
Oh, you did a good job of that one, man. Okay, so as we said before, we're going to be lifting this vehicle and removing the side steps. We'll also be replacing the stock tyres for some Bridgestone all-terrain tyres. These ones are 31 inch and will be perfect for the nav. It'll get more clearance and better traction out on the tracks.
Which way are we going?
Wait, I'll let go for a sec.
Yep.
It's tin.
Is it coming?
Yep.
There you go. Wow.
Chuck that in the bin.
That's another 2 inches. Oh! Oh, she looks way
Oh,
better.
damn.
Wow. Looks way better.
Hell yeah.
Oh! Juicy!
Flex in the back with that solid axle. That was